at least the governor should take an initiative and ask for an inquiry into the Adani scam. It is very evident that while the Gujarat government signed a deal for 1.99 rupees per unit of solar energy, Andhra Pradesh government signed the same deal for 2 rupees 49 in, which means intentionally for the sake of bribe, this power supply agreement was signed. It was the Telugu Desam party, then in opposition, that raised voice against this corruption. They said something is fishy. Why is Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy signing this deal? On what basis is he signing this deal? No auctions were called for. On what basis is this deal signed on is what the then Telugu Desam party ministers also spoke about. But now Telugu Desam party is in power in Andhra Pradesh. And now not Indian agencies but the US agencies themselves are saying that there has been corruption. Then what is Telugu Desam party doing? Why isn't Mr. Chandrababu Naidu commissioning an inquiry? Why is Mr. Chandrababu Naidu quiet on this? Only because it is Adani and because Adani is BJP's man and because they are an ally to the BJP. That's exactly why Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is doing nothing about this. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu has to come clean about this. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu and his party members know very well that there has been corruption in this. Because if they don't do anything, then this whole burden is going to fall on the people of Andhra Pradesh. They are the ones who is going to be paying hiked electricity bills, which is not fair. So Congress party is demanding that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu not only scrap this deal but also order an inquiry, not only here, but we are also demanding Mr. Chandrababu Naidu that in Parliament also he has to support. Telugu Desam MPs have to support the Congress stand on demanding the joint parliamentary committee inquiry. So Mr. Chandrababu Naidu has to decide if he has the courage to stand for the people of Andhra Pradesh or he will just shy and hide behind Modi for his political gain.
Madam, and today Parliament sessions have been suspended because of the opposition party's questions against the Adani's corruption, and the ruling party is not answering about the issue at the Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Why? Why, Mr. Modi? Why are you not talking about it? Is exactly what Congress party is demanding. If Mr. Adani has nothing to do with you, like you are saying, then you not at least asking for a CBI inquiry if you have any integrity at all. The Congress party is asking for a JPC. What is your problem in agreeing to the JPC if you are indeed not guilty? Mr. Modi has to answer. There is an extradition treaty that says that if a crime is committed in one of these two countries, either USA or India, then the person committing this crime has to be handed over to that country in which is alleging that the crime is committed, or that person has to be prosecuted in the home country, which means Mr. Modi has only two options. One option is to extradite Adani, another option is to prosecute him here. Which is it going to be? Mr. Modi is doing nothing, and it's not possible for a prime minister to not do anything. He has to take a stand, he has to make a call. Mr. Modi has to decide what it is going to be. Thank you.